Hi there, and welcome to the to Enlightened Super Trader Education's weekly market update. This is the continuation of the rebound series. This is number 4. All right, now looking at the weekly chart from last week's perspective, the bulls basically took over and closed at 13,155 and stated that if 13,083 will be broken, then the price to beat is around the 13,300. Okay, now it did it today. So currently looking at the weekly chart, the bulls are still currently in control. And let's go through on the daily chart right here. And the price to beat was 13,000 on this high right here at 13,290, and the high today went to 13,297. So currently we are in a new higher high. The bulls are still currently in control in terms of the daily chart. There's another 9 minutes to go before the market will close, especially the Dow Jones or this candle in particular. So the odds and probability that we're going to have a form of stabilization and a minor correction pretty soon is highly probable. So however, now if it breaks through the 13,003, so from a higher high, higher low perspective, all the way back down to the level of demand with 13,100 before it can continue to go through the 13,600. Now the next price to beat is this high 13,588 all the way to 13,661. So there's about an 80-point difference between the two supply levels. So there's an area of supply between that 13,588 and 13,661. So yeah, that is it for me. There's no more that I would basically be able to say. Oh yes, one more thing. Now the video about trends. So it is almost reaching to that primary downtrend. So if it breaks through here, odds and probability to create new high 13,588, 13,661 in the next few months or few weeks is highly probable. However, we're going to see a minor correction before a continuation. So here it is, all the way down to 13,100, and if it continues to the upside, then to break 13,661 is highly more than probability, or the probability to head towards to create a new higher high is more highly probable. So still currently in an uptrend. And looking on the monthly also, by the way, you see higher high, higher low, higher high, and 14,198. Here we come. If it breaks through that, that would be great. But once it reaches it on a supply level, we're going to see a minor correction before a continuation. Okay, so longer term, in terms of longer term, few months, I'm still very bullish. Overall, still very bullish with the marketplace. Based on the weekly, medium term, still very bullish. On the daily, once there's some form of stabilization, we're going to see a minor correction before a continuation of the bulls. Alright, this is it for me. By the way, if you're also in the New York area, I'll be presenting tonight one of the groups for traders here. It's 45 Broadway, level 42. Okay, what else? Now, next week we are also gonna have the meeting in the office, and also this coming Saturday we're gonna have the end of year market update. So if you haven't registered as yet, I highly suggest to do so. We're gonna look at the marketplace to see where to from here onwards. We're going to look at the dollar index, we're going to look at the Dow, look at the S&P, look at the VIX, currency pairs. We're also going to look at some stocks. So if you do have current stocks that you may have at the moment and you want me to look at it, then prepare yourselves. Alright, other than that, take care. Until next time, happy trading for this week. See you later. Bye.